Morning guys, Doc, Jay here, pinkjaytv. Good morning, have a coffee with me this morning. So anyway guys, magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Today, pag-usapan natin ang tubeless setup na tires. Basically, hindi na to bago sa atin. I think I have another video whereby I've shared to you on how to convert a certain Koozer wheelset, which is not ready tubeless wheelset, and then I convert it to tubeless ready setup wheelset. But today's video, I'm just gonna do some quick review lang on this Koozer hub. Again, it's Koozer hub. Koozer hub na ang model nito is XM490 Pro. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is the new version or the upgraded version of the current XM490 na wheelset or hub ng Koozer. The only difference with this new wheelset is the set of wheelset is that the hub is Koozer, but the rest of the parts is not Koozer. Unlike with the other wheelset that I've converted to tubeless recently, all the components or the parts that is installed in the hub is a Koozer as well. So, but this time it's different because this is a custom build wheelset. So as you can see, this is the wheelset, this guy, and ang type nito is quick release na hub. Kasi yung pag-install natin yung bike is, yung frame is quick release. So, gusto ko lang share ang process on how to do the tubeless setup. But at the same time, I'm just gonna do some like quick check lang on this wheelset. Makikita nyo dito sa part ng rim na, ito, alloy siya. Ang brand niya is Helix. Magana siya, hindi siya ganun kagaan, hindi rin siya ganun kabigat. So, nasa mid lang siya. And then, yung pagkakabuild niya, napaka-sturdy. So, napakaganda, napakatibay. Matibay yung pagkakagawa o pagkakabuild ng wheelset ito. Actually, matagal ko nang pinapagamit yung Koozer na hub sa mga iba ko kakilala. Kasi nga, I find it okay. Meaning, cheap siya, pero matibay. So, yun yung findings ko or yun yung observation ko sa Koozer na hub nito. Kasi may mga mountain bikes na dinadala sa trail. So far, okay naman yung wheelset. Okay naman yung hub. What's good thing about Koozer is that very flexible siya in a sense. Kasi nga, you can buy a set of conversion kit whereby it could convert your true quick release hub into true axle na hub. So, you just need to remove this part, something like this part. Tatanggalin mo lang yan kasi naka-quick release lock, tapos lalagyan mo siya ng adapter para sa true axle. Yun yung kagandahan sa Koozer. Although some other brands like Swiss, if I'm not mistaken, they offer the same thing. They are very flexible in a sense kasi they offered adapter for true axle for quick release depending on what is the specification of your frame or your forks. So, yun lang, makikita nyo, pareho naman to eh. Isang pair ng wheelset, same brand, Koozer din. Ito para sa harap, ito para sa likod. So, i-install lang ko siya, i-convert ko to into tubeless. Although, as you can see, mayroon na siyang tape. Kasi nung pinili is, mayroon na siyang tape, parang tubeless, ready na siya na wheelset. Yung gagawin ko lang is maglalagay ka ng sealant and the tire valve and then lalagyan na. And then monitor for a while if it's working or not. So yun lang gagawin natin for today's video. Ang ilalagay ko naman na tires is this one. Ito ilalagay ko na tires. Brand new din to. It's Swalby Adex Speed Thunderbird. Nakikita nyo din sa part. Ito yung ilalagay ko na Swalby. Pareho yung harap tsaka sa likod. And then the only thing that I've noticed on this tire is yung tread is very small, which is good for road cycling. Kita yung tread niya, it's very thin part. Ito dito sa part nito. Kumpara mo sa mga Maxus, yung mga ginagamit sa mountain biking, yung mga tread nila is malalaki. Para at least kailangan kasi ng grip out nasa trail ka. So since this bike, yung bike na gagawin ko is meant for road lang mostly, I decided to buy this part. Ito tubeless ready na siya, makikita niyo yung part na to, tubeless ready. So yun yung sinabi ko, since hindi naman siya gagamitin para sa trail, so why not buy something like yung thread very small para at least yung bowling maganda sa PCN or sa road. So yun lang pareho sa yun lang ipapakita, yun lang yung gagamitin natin. Brand yung pareho, yung tire at wheelset. Ang gagawin ko lang is I'm going to convert it to two tubeless ready setup. So ito yung ginagamit yung sealant. I have here sealant stands, no tube, tire sealant. Ito yung ginagamit ko na sealant para mag-convert ng tubeless. Very common na to sa amin. I've been using this one for quite some time. Since I started mountain biking, I use this stand no tubes and sealant. This is the sealant that we're going to use. And then the tire valve will be this Koozer Taiwan brand na tire valve. Bale, dalawa na to. Ayan. Dalawa na to. Ang length na ito is 44 mm. All black. Actually, ito yung ginagamit ko ever since. Kasi nga, maganda yung maganda yung makikita nyo naman sa video. Sa texture pa lang nyo or yung pagkakagawa, seems na matibay. Kasi may mga bulb talaga na hindi ganun kaganda yung pagkakagawa. So, ang tendency is yung dun sa bulb, magkakaroon ng hangin or magkakaroon ng leak, air leak. Kaya magkakaroon ng issue yung tubeless. Nung nag-start ako is I've been using this one. So far so good naman, wala namang issues when it comes to the air leak on the bulb itself. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Since meron na siyang tubeless riding na siya, hindi natin kailangan tape. But I'm just gonna show you this stand rim tape. Ito na ginagamit ko. Stand din yung brand. Although you can buy Gorilla tape, but I haven't tried it before. But for me, I've been using this one since day one. So far so good, no issue. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung gagamitin natin para maglagay ng sealant sa tires. Ito yung gagamitin natin para maglagay ng sealant dito sa tires. Yung amount ng sealant is depending on how big is your tire. So, say for example, this one is 210. So, we can put around 100 ml or 80 ml to 100 ml. So, I'll show you in a bit. So, unang-una natin gagawin, first step is we will need to put the tire valve on this tubeless tire valve dito sa thing na to. Hanapin pala yung butas. Hindi ko nila binutasan. Butasan lang natin para mapasok. Yun. So, pwede mong gamitin ito pang butas. So, kailangan mo lang tanggalin yung top cap. And then, you have the rubber para pag-seal ng hangin. Ayan niya. Para hindi siya lumabas. Then, just gonna put it here like that. And then, okay, like this. Put the rubber and then the cover. And then, tighten it up. Good. And then, lagyan natin yung cover for the time being. And then, we're going to put the tire in. So, ipapakita ko lang yung step na to. Just need to take note of the rotation. So, basically, the rotation will be like this. Kita yun naman dito. Tapos, dito sa tire, tingnan nyo yung rotation niya. Yung rotation ng tire, kasi may isa swalby, makikita yung sa part na to, yung rotation. So, ituturo niya sa kung ano yung rotation. So, dapat ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. So, malalagay na natin, and then, ilagay na natin yung tire. Ilalapat lang. Very basic lang to.
Two very boring minutes later.
So, yun na nga guys, nalagay na natin yung tire. Yung tires, nalagay na natin, nalapat na natin sa wheelset. Ang gagawin natin, tatanggalin natin yung bulb, yung pinakadoob nyo. Ito, gagamitin natin to. Ito, tatanggalin natin yung bulb para malagyan natin siya na sealant sa loob. Hindi ko alam yung tawag natin, pero patanggal yung bulb. And then, tagilan natin. And then we will put the sealant na. Ito is 60 ml, so lalagyan natin siya na 100 ml. Matapon. So, yung process lang, lalapat mo lang ulit, ganyan. And then, yan. So, nakatapon, diba? Yan. And then, so 60 lang yun. We'll add another one. Another 40 ml. So, yun lang guys. Nalagay na natin. And then, babalik na natin yung bulb. And then, ilalak na natin. And then, yung hangin, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng hangin. Kasi pupunta ako sa petrol station para lagyan ng hangin. Kasi yung panghangin ko, yung floor pump, nakakapagod siya eh. Although kaya naman, pero nakakapagod siya. So, might as well lang, ginagawa ko is pupunta na lang ako sa mga petrol pump. Doon ako nagpapalagay ng hangin. Like, yung Shell, narapit yung Shell sa amin, walking distance. So, doon ako naglalagay ng hangin pag nag-tubeless ako. Although, meron ako ng battery operated na pump. Pero hindi siya effective. And then, we put back the cover pala.
Very boring.
Share ko lang kung ano yung magiging advantage kasi pag nag-tubeless ka. Pag nag-tubeless kasi, the first advantage is that mas lightweight na siya kung compared mo sa wheelset na may tires. Kasi nga, yung inner tube may weight na. Tapos nilagay mo pa sa wheelset. So, yun yung unang advantage. And then the second advantage is that it can run on lower PSI. Meaning, pwede mo siyang patakbuhin ng malambot. This is very effective pag nasa trail ka na ang dinadaanan mo sa bato-bato, gamot-gamot, yung mga roots. Kasi especially pag madulas yung mga parts na yan. So, most of the time, when we go on trails, tapos maulan, madulas, we lower down the PSI of our tires kasi nga tubeless naman siya. And then, when we came out from the trail, we will put top up ng air para maganda siya sa road. So, para at least yung rolling very normal. So, yun lang guys. That's it for now. Actually, wala naman masyado akong i-discuss for today. Very quick lang. Sabi ko nga kanina, very quick lang. So, that would be all again. This is again pinkjaytv. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na mga videos na ilalabas ko. That would be all now. Jay here again. Signing off. Bye.
Later.